In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text glow in Canva. This tutorial is perfect if you want to add a vibrant, eye-catching effect that instantly makes your text pop. Whether you're designing a social media post, a poster, or even a YouTube thumbnail, a glowing text effect can make your design stand out beautifully. So let's get started. Once you've opened your Canva design project, click on the text that you want to apply the glow effect to. This step tells Canva exactly which element you want to modify, so any changes you make will apply directly to that text. With your text selected, look towards the top toolbar and click on the Effects button. This will open up a panel full of creative options for styling your text. Among these effects, you'll find one called Neon. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do, your text will instantly transform with a beautiful glowing aura. It's that simple. The neon effect gives your text that smooth, luminous look that feels energetic and modern. Now, let's customize the color to match your design. Click on the text color icon. It's usually located near the Effects button at the top. Here, you can choose from Canva's preset colors or create your own by entering a specific hex color code. If you want your glow to feel bold and bright, pick vibrant colors like cyan, magenta, or electric blue. For a softer or more elegant look, try pastel or white tones. Adjusting the color helps your glowing text fit perfectly with the rest of your design. Next, let's fine-tune the glow's intensity. To do that, go back to the effects panel and click on Neon again. You'll see a small slider appear. This slider controls how strong or subtle the glow appears around your text. If you want your text to really stand out, drag the slider to the right to make the glow more intense. For a smoother, subtler glow, pull it back a little. Play around with it until it feels just right for your design's style and tone. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've created glowing text in Canva that's ready to capture attention. Whether you're working on promotional content, branding materials, or personal projects, this glow effect adds that extra wow factor with minimal effort. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to experiment with more creative effects in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.